It's been a while since I purchased a new vacuum. I've had a cordless stick for a while, but it really was disappointing and I just felt like, okay, it's time for a new one. So I started doing research, reading reviews, and I wanted another cordless stick vacuum, but one of the features that many that are out there doesn't have that this one does, and I look forward to sharing with you once I put it together. And the reviews have been great, and the price point has been great, and I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section so you could check it out. This was not sent to me again. I did purchase it, and so looking forward to getting it out of the box and using it. So this is the Smocher, the cordless vacuum. This is the VAC01. And there was another one that I originally went with, and then when I saw this in the feature that I wanted, I had to get it. So let's go ahead, get it out of the box, and I look forward to doing an additional update video once I have an opportunity to really use it and share with you. All right, so let's check it out. And they do have a warranty that they'll send you to get an additional warranty, and they may even ask you for a review, so do keep that in mind. But this has several parts. We got the brush. This will come in handy. It's got the brush combo with the where you can use with or without the brush. Let's get this out, and I think this is for actually hanging it on the wall. It does come with these other screws and accessories. It has a brush as well. We've got the bottom for the carpet, and this is also supposed to, be dual, so it works on a hard floor plus the carpet. And so we got that, and here we go. So this is a gold tube. So if you're into the coloring and that's important to you, this one certainly looks like it has nice coloring. So let's see, maybe it has to go. Actually, there's probably another part that I need to attach to it. Let's see, get the rest out. Let me get this foam and everything out. Sure got a lot here. Now, I think these do have additional batteries, so if you're somebody that might have a lot of use, then you could probably get a secondary battery if you may need it. But it's supposed to have, let me give you a couple of specs on it. There are a few specs. 550 watt, 45 kPa, and 60-minute runtime. So just be aware of that. And here we go. This is the motor and the top with the handle. This doesn't feel that heavy, which is nice. And here we go. If you have any questions, please email, and there's support. So you got that there. And it's supposed to have a really nice digital display from what it looks like on top. So there we go. And it's supposed to have a nice filtered system as well. And then we've got this additional tool, so if you need to get into the crevices, you've got that. And then you also have the plug. Now, I am excited to see if the feature that this has does indeed work. So let's go ahead. There we go. And this is supposed to be able to extend. So let's see how this works. It goes back here. So you can extend it, which is good, like that. Now, this is the feature that I was looking forward to seeing if it does indeed. And there you go. To me, actually, before, let's see how it works with the battery in it. There we go. And look at that. It stands up without having to be leaning against the wall. To me, that was really important because my vacuum kept always falling off to the side. And how awesome is this? So while you're vacuuming, you put it up and it stays. To me, that is awesome, a big seller. All right, now let's go ahead and put it on. Let me see if, there we go. Ooh, this has got some nice suction. Oh yeah, what a difference. Now, I will need to get used to using this so then I can come back and share with you how it works. But I was really excited to take it out of the box and to show you it could stand on its own. But let me show you here. This is the digital display readout. And then it's got auto and off there. And so it can adjust. Oh, this is showing the battery life and the speeds. So there you go. Now this does not feel like a heavy vacuum, which is nice. And really excited again to see how well it performs for me. And I look forward to sharing that with you. But this was really just an introduction to this vacuum. You could check out the reviews. People seem to really like it. And again, I love the fact that this stands on its own. That to me is awesome. So more to come. Say hello to the new vacuum, which I really needed, and really looking forward to seeing how well this worked for me and that it continues to stay up, and hopefully it will continue to stay up. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me today on this intro to this vacuum. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.